LAN tester covers the fields of installation and network control. This LAN tester can be used in the workplace and are ideal for technical service, professional, and network administrators. Crimping tool is a tool used to deform materials and create a connection. Crimping is commonly used in electrical work to attach wires together, wire to other connectors. Internet cable. The most common use for an internet cable is connecting a Wi-Fi router or modem to the internet entry port or telephone line. RJ45. A registered jack RJ is a standardized physical network interface for connecting telecommunication or data equipment. And now, we are making the crossover. Step 1 on how to make a crossover. Strip the cable jacket about 1 to 5 inches down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. For cut 5E, you can use the pull string to strip the jacket farther down if you need to. Then cut the pull string. Cut 6 cable have a spin that will also need to be cut. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them into T568B orientation. Be sure not to untwist them any farther down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twist as possible. Step 4. Cut the wire as straight as possible, about 0 to 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Step 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimp all the way down. Step 7. Repeat step 1 to 6 from the other end of the cable with a standard color of T568A. Step 8. To make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each band. And now, we are making the straight through cable. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart from cut 5E. You can use the pull string to strip the jacket farther down if you need to, then cut the pull string. Cut 6 cable have a spin, then will also need to be cut. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them into T568B orientation. Be sure not to untwist them any farther down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twist as possible. Step 4. Cut the wire as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Step 5. Carefully insert the wire all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guide inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimp all the way down. Step 7. Repeat steps 1 to 6 from the other end of the cable. Step 8. To make sure you successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each band. And now we are done in the straight through cable. What does straight-through cable mean? A straight-through cable is a type of twisted pair cable that is used in a local area network to connect a computer to a network hub such as a router. What is the meaning of crossover cable? Crossover cable is a type of